Hey everybody, welcome back to the Electronics Workshop. So this is going to be kind of a quick one. A fun feature that the HP Agilent 54-600 series oscilloscopes have is kind of a hidden feature that wasn't really well known for a fairly long time, I guess. But these actually have an Easter egg built onto the ROM that is kind of fun. So let's go ahead and fire up the 601A and have a look at this. Now I'm running version 2.0. I'm looking to potentially upgrade this at some point to a later version of ROM, and I do want to back up the calibration on this. I haven't done it yet. It's been a while. And I'm assuming that Dallas Timekeeper on this thing is probably getting to be pretty, getting near its point where I should really just get this dumped before I lose my calibration. But anyway, you go to Print Utility, and that brings up the menu on the bottom. And now that I have my buttons working on this again, like I said, I did the foil modification where sticking the foil tape to the back of the black section on the buttons here makes that work again. So you go into Print Utility, and then these two buttons right here, press those simultaneously, and you're playing Tetris. I mean, isn't that fun? Obviously, the folks over at HP that were in charge of designing this kind of had one of those moments of let's put Tetris on this thing and not say anything. I'm assuming that's how that went, but it's pretty cool that this does actually have a playable version of Tetris. And I've spent a little bit of time playing this now, and I will say it actually is pretty darn good. Of course, you can bump up your level from beginner to intermediate to, whatever. Oops. So yeah, intermediate, advanced, and pro, and beginner. So it's all just, I think, the starting speed of the objects falling. Takes a little bit getting used to playing this on the screen, but I'm very, very happy that the display on this particular oscilloscope is in fantastic shape. Tiniest bit of burn-in, but nothing compared to some of them that I've seen that must have been powered on for weeks straight. So anyway, thought this was a fun one to share. Obviously, I'm not playing all that great at the moment, but I'm gonna probably just get buried in this and then forget what I'm doing. So anyway, yes, the HP 54-600 series, they do absolutely have Tetris on the unit. So there was rumors that there might have been an adventure game on these, which I don't know if that's true or not. Maybe it is buried somewhere else. No, it's only Tetris. So I'm sure there could have been a game installed on this, or there's maybe in a later version of the ROM or an earlier version, maybe there was something different. But I do know that Tetris is on it. So that is super cool, fun to play with. Anyway, I hope you found this extra nerdy moment interesting, that yes, the HP Agilent 54-600 series does play Tetris. I don't think it plays Doom, though. We'll catch you in the next nerdy moment. Thanks, everybody.